Hey, what's happening, you guys? Well, check this out. It's the Blueberry SSK003. I've got the 005. I really like it. Now, this is a fella that reached out to me just to do a quick sapphire swap for him. So we're going to do that. It's going to be a blue AR, as you see. Only difference, it won't have the CYCLOPS, which for myself, I'm okay with. And get this case back off. And then I'll grab the press. Now I'm going to cover this right away. Now I know from experience that I can pull this crystal out of there without having to take off the bezel or the insert. So that's what we're doing. Oh, it's always horrible sounding, horrible feeling, but no issues. I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. Clean up the crystal, make sure there's no schmutz of any kind right in the crystal crevices. Get out our new crystal time. Perfect looking. Wunderbar. Make sure we're all nice and level. You can always clean it up after. Bump the camera, because you got to do that. And go slow. Little bit, little bit. Wunderbar. That looks damn good. Got a little blue on there. I just gotta make sure it is spotless, especially on the inside. See all that crap? Let's get this guy cased before we have any issues. Now, what I will do anyway is I will keep this handy for a day just to make sure everything is good. Also, I tend to find I'll see nothing, I'll see nothing there on the dial right now, or nothing under the crystal, and then I'll come back in an hour and it's like something settled from somewhere, and it drives me nuts. It happens almost every time. So I will lightly put this back together without cranking down the case back gasket. Yeah, and that case back gasket's pooched. There's something definitely not happy with that, eh? What's going on? Yeah, we're definitely replacing that. So we're replacing that. We'll replace that. And we will come back in a couple hours to double check, make sure there's nothing that's settled under the dial for us. And that's it. Super quick crystal swap. Look at that. That looks sharp. Just sitting proud of the tiniest bit of the bezel insert. Nice and flat. No CYCLOPS. A beautiful blue AR to go with that dial and insert. All right, you guys. Anyway, I can waffle on for a while. Cheers. Love y'all. Hope you enjoyed. Super easy. I got to get the other one in, then I had all three in. Then I got to get the new ones in. But see y'all next time. Cheers.